Hello and welcome to another lecture, and in this lecture is about how to lock layers in Adobe Photoshop and what are the different types of locks that you can apply to any layer. So to do that, as you can see on the screen on the right panel, the layer panel, that the bottom layer is locked, and if you click on it, it removes the lock from here. So how you can apply the lock back again, and what are the different types? In this panel at the top, you can see that you got lock word, and then you got 5 different icons in front of the lock word. So what is the first one? If I go to the first one, click on it, it locks the layer partially. This is the second one. This is about lock image pixels. The first one is about the transparency. The third one is about the position. The fourth one is about anti-nesting into any other layer. Like you can just drag it anywhere else or into any other group. It will lock that capability for the layer. And the last one is to lock everything for that layer. So if I click on it, it means I have applied all of these 4 properties for the lock. So I will remove this one. So this is how you lock any layer from these top icons that the layer provides over here. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.